On the home screen, we list all the properties. When you do a single tap on a property, then you can access the different floors. When I do a single tap on a floor, I can access the different rooms. When I double tap on a room, then I enter into the room and I can access the different items in the room. So you have to be careful because all menus are contextual. So typically, if I want to change the opening side of a door, I first need to be inside the room, select the door, and when I do so, I have the rotate door icon, and I can change the opening side of the door. If I want to add a toilet inside a room, I first need to be inside the room, and then I can go into the insert menu, plumbing, and select the toilet. If I want to add a corner, I first need to select a wall, and then I'll be able to add a corner or a wall, etc., etc. When I tap on the cloud icon, I can see all the floor plans available on my cloud and not in the app. If I want to download a floor plan, I just click on it, tap download, and there it is, the floor plan is available. To delete the floor plan, I tap on the three dots, select the trash icon. I can delete it from the app, from the cloud, or from both. In the account section, you have a lot of help. It's contextual, so if you want to access all the help, you click on all, and then you'll be able to see all the videos, FAQs, etc. You can even search, for example, laser. You see the laser supported by magicplan.